Alright guys, there she is, my E46. Really clean, original looking car. The only problem I would say is just a couple of injectors are kind of lagging a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace all 6. There it is. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? Here she is, the E46. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys the first step to changing out the injectors. Okay, here's the engine bay. First thing that you want to do, remove these 2 10mm bolts so you can take off the cover. Okay guys, I got my 10mm wrench. I'm going to go ahead and take these nuts off and go from there. There we go. This should come off real easy, just like that. So again, 2 10mm nuts, one here, one here. Take off the oil cap, and it should pop right off. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like they've already replaced 3 out of the 6 injectors. You can kind of see some spark residue right here. Also on that back one, you can see that spark residue, that white dust. So I'm going to go ahead and replace all 6. It's a very simple process. Let me see if I can show you guys how to just pop these out. There we go. Pop this out. Doesn't come off, it just pops up. Wiggle this a little bit all the way off. 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here. But remember, this ground always has to go on this side. On the left hand side, I don't know if you can see it, but it goes on the left. Right side goes right, left side goes left. So again, you just pop this thing up just like that. Doesn't come off. You can just shimmy out that one. Again, very simple. You just pop it up with your fingernails, just wiggle it. There we go. Next one, wiggle it out. Alright guys, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 injectors all done. It took me a little bit longer than expected. One of the new ones that I got online, these hooks, these teeth things right here were bent, which was preventing me from inserting the injector. It cost me about an extra 10 minutes, but there's all the old injectors, all 6 of them. Very simple job. They probably charge you like $300 to $500 at the BMW dealership. Didn't have to take it there, just did it myself. Let's try it on and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, there it is. All 6 injectors swapped out. Motor sounds good. I'm sure I saved a few $100. Didn't go to the BMW dealership. I hope you liked this video. I hope I helped you guys out. Subscribe, like, and comment. Alright guys, so this is the first E46 that you saw in my last video. Now I'm really liking this rear bumper, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it and transplant it to my new E46. Alright y'all, so instead of keeping this original OEM bumper, we're going to upgrade to this aftermarket bumper. It's a lot bigger, so it makes it look a lot lower. All I have to do is remove 2 13-inch bolts, one on each side, so let's get that going. Alright, before I put this bumper on, I'm going to go ahead and prep it with 400 grit. I'm going to get that done now. Got a few scuffs here on the front bumper. I took this off the first E46 M3 replica bumper. Got a few here on the hood. A couple small dents on the side. Nothing major. right there, right there. So overall, not bad. We're going matte black with a red trim. I hope you guys like the custom paint. Alright guys, so I'm going to take some Scotch-Brite and prep all the surfaces that I circled for dents. Here we got our 3M Bondo. Cracking it open. Now, hardener. Okay guys, I got all the Bondo spreaded. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes, let it dry, give it a sand with 400 grit, probably lay another layer of Bondo, and then we should be ready to 400 the whole car.